Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video we learn the other collocations consist of adjective and noun. These adjectives start with the letter I, J, K and L. First part is related to the adjectives with the first letter, I. Icy wind. It means extremely cold wind. For example, an icy wind was blowing all day. In-flight entertainment. It means films, music, etc. which are provided during flight to entertain passengers. Example: the in-flight entertainment was excellent, and the seats were comfortable. Ill effects. Problems or damage caused by something. For example, Julia will suffer no ill effects if he stops taking the drug. Ill health. A state of poor health, especially over a long period. Example: my uncle retired at 55 because of ill health. Immediate action. It means action taken right away, or without delay. Example: we must take immediate action to solve this problem. Immediate family. The meaning is someone's closest relatives by birth. Example: it is usually good to do business with immediate family. Innocent victim. It means a person who is guiltless. Example: Jack was a completely innocent victim. Insect bite. A sting or bite into skin caused by an insect. Example: ointment is used to soothe for insect bites. Inside information. The meaning is important information about a company or organization. For example, he was convicted of supplying inside information to stockbrokers. Intense pressure. It means very strong or extreme pressure. For example, Davis has been under intense pressure. Internal injury. It means any injury to the organs. For example, the young man died due to the internal injury. Irreparable damage. Damage that no monetary compensation can cure, it is too serious to repair. Damage to the building was irreparable. Intensive course. It means a course that involves lots of teaching or training in a short period of time. Example: this is an intensive language course for the beginning students. Incurable disease. The meaning is a disease that cannot be cured. Example: he was diagnosed with an incurable disease. Infectious disease. It means a disease caused by microorganisms, such as bacteria, protozoans, fungi, or viruses. Example: he had a nasty infectious disease. Inner city. The central part of a city where a lot of poverty and other social problems exist. They are children from the inner city. Immediate family. A family unit including parents, brothers and sisters, husband or wife, and children. Example: only the immediate family is allowed to visit the patient. Intense dislike. You extremely dislike it, him, her. Example: Lucy has an intense dislike for her father's friend. Second part is related to the adjectives which the first letter is J. Joint account. It means a bank account in the names of two. For example, they may have a joint account, but she feels that it is his money because he earned it. Joint effort. It means something that is done by two or more people working together. For example, the physics homework was a joint effort between the 5 of us. Joint owners. It means two or more people or organizations who share ownership of something. Example: Jack and his wife are joint owners of their house. The next part is related to adjectives which their first letter start with the letter K. Key issue. It means one of the most important issues. Example: public education will be one of the key issues in the election campaign. Key role. It means one of the most important roles. Example: schools play a key role in society. The next part is presented. The collocations consist of adjectives and noun, and adjectives start with the first letter, L. Lifelong friend. It means someone who has been your friend for the whole of your life. Example: he became a lifelong friend of mine. Long-term relationship. It means a relationship that continues a long time in the future. Example: Mary wishes she had a long-term relationship with the guy she loves. Luxury hotel. A hotel which is very comfortable. The luxury hotel charges $150 for one night stay. Light rain. A small amount of rain. Example: a light rain began to fall when we were going outside. Live music. The meaning is music played on instruments in front of an audience. Example: it's hard to find a club which performs live music in this area. Late night. A night when you stay awake until a late hour. You've had too many late nights recently, so you should have an early night. Leading role. It means the most important role in music, ballet, cinema, theater, etc. Example: people tend to see a movie with a star in the leading role. Legal advice. The meaning is professional advice provided by a lawyer or any other legal experts. Example: I always get legal advice from my lawyer before signing a contract. Level playing field. It means a situation in which everyone has an equal opportunity of succeeding. Example: if you both started off with a level playing field, your relationship would be far better. Liquid refreshment. Drinks, usually alcoholic drinks. Example: after a hard day at work, I usually enjoy some liquid refreshment. Little known. Not known by a lot of people. For example, he was little known outside of Japan. Long time. A great amount of time. For example, it takes a long time to master a new language. Long way. It means a great distance. For example, the beach is a long way away from here. Loved one. It means someone who you love. For example, I and my loved ones are going to take a trip to Europe next month. Lucky escape. It means to avoid being killed or badly injured simply because you are lucky. Example: it was a serious accident, but he had a lucky escape and was still alive. Lonely place. It means a remote place. Example: do you know what he is doing in such a lonely place? Local crafts. Work or objects produced locally by hand. For example, we displayed our products at the local crafts fair. Long weekend. It means a weekend holiday which is extended by 1 or 2 extra days including Friday or Monday. For example, we went to New York for a long weekend. Lively bars or restaurants. It means bars or restaurants that are full of activity and excitement. Example: it was a lively bar with good live music. Long-range weather forecast. It means the weather forecast made for a long period of time ahead. For example, the long-range weather forecast predicts sunny days. Local shops. It means shops that belong to a certain place or district. For example, these local shops are very good for local people. Low risk investment. Example: he continues to view debt funds as a very low risk investment opportunity. Long-term solution. The meaning is a solution that will be effective for a long time. For example, The local authority is working to find long-term solutions for the homeless. Long sandy beach. It means a long beach that is covered with sand. Example: we were walking on a long sandy beach. Lucrative job. It means a job where someone earns a lot of money. Example: he has a lucrative job offer in California.